I just put some random rubrics in a clipboard. I'm going to size this. And so let's say that you want to filter this by, you want to filter all of the rubrics by one specific rubric, which you think is the most important. So, you drag the rubrics that you want to be filtered into the elimination tool. The elimination tool is the one that's represented by the plus and the minus. And as you drag the rubrics, they go in. And I only have, it's a small clipboard, and I want, let's say I want all of them, to be within the elimination. So then you click, and basically we have dragged all of them. And then now, let's say that the part that's really important for me is mind adulteress. So this is the rubric by which I want to cross all the other rubrics in the analysis. Then I will click on the plus sign, and it turns it into a negative, and it brings it to the bottom. So all of the rubrics that are being crossed in the elimination go to the top. They float to the top of the elimination window. And the rubrics that you want to eliminate by are the ones that you turn into a minus, and they come to the bottom of the elimination window. And you can then click on show, and it will show you the remedies that were eliminated, or the remedies that remain. The remedies that were eliminated are the ones that are highlighted. And then the graph currently is a regular repetization graph, but you can see the result of the elimination also in the graph. And in the graph, then you can see your entire repetization, which is now been crossed by the rubric mind adulteress, and the remedies that remain are now the ones on the graph.